Let's create this music video effect under 1 minute. This is the clip that I'm using. In the effects and presets panel, let's search for CC threshold, drag and drop it into the clip and keep its value to 100. Now search for noise and drag it above the CC threshold and keep its value to 40. Now let's search for posterized time and I'll change it to 12. Alright, so the next step is we'll create an adjustment layer, and in the effects preset panel search for tricone effect and then create a keyframe. Also change the color as you want, and let's animate our keyframe now. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, in the effects preset panel search for brightness and contrast, click a keyframe from brightness, move few frames forward, hit alt and click on the keyframe button and type this expression loop out, and our grunge effect is ready.